Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we made a hurricane. Now the hurricane is an iconic Bourbon Street cocktail. People go to Bourbon Street in the French Quarter to party, have a great time, celebrate God knows what. And this is the cocktail just for that. With over 4 ounces of booze in it, I'd be willing to bet that this cocktail has caused more arrests than any other cocktail in the country. Invented at Pat O'Brien's, a famous Irish bar in the French Quarter in the 1940s. Let's make the cocktail. We're gonna start off with our dark rum. 2 ounces into a cocktail shaker. Light rum, also 2 ounces into your cocktail shaker. 1 ounce fresh lime juice. 1 ounce orange juice. 1/2 ounce simple syrup. 1-to-1 ratio, sugar and water. 1/2 ounce Passionfruit Puree. And I take a bar spoon of Grenadine on that cocktail shaker there. Now this cocktail calls for crushed ice. Since we have cubed ice here, which most people have at their house, we're gonna take a Lewis bag, which is the proper name for an ice smasher bag, and a mallet. And we're gonna gently smash the cubed ice. It'll turn into crushed ice. Very easy, very simple. Should be good. Now, in your hurricane glass, which is known after a lamp, not the storm like people think, we're gonna dump our crushed ice into the hurricane glass. Just like that. Now we're gonna add ice to the cocktail shaker. Three-quarters of the way up, take your sugar pint, give it a good shake. Now take your Hawthorne strainer. We're gonna strain into the hurricane glass with crushed ice. Like so. Now we want to create a snow globe effect. With the rest of the crushed ice in the bag, take a nice handful and put it on top. It'll create a nice effect. Now garnish. Orange and a cherry. Take a straw, and there you have the hurricane. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. It's a great drink, very sweet. Very surprised it has 4 ounces of rum in there because they don't taste it. I can see why all these rests are high. Well, go to New Orleans, try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thank you. Goodbye.